Hello, Kevin Barry here. I just wanted to touch base with you what to expect when we kind of run through the services that I feel you might need and how we price for items. Okay, so just give you a small bit of 1 minute background. We're no good to you unless you make money out of us. How you do that is by us helping you be more efficient, that you stay compliant with everything, that everything isn't filed late, running you into surcharges or interest or penalties or that type of thing. And the better organized the administration of your business is, the better you can make decisions on whether you're going to expand, contract, take people on, bring in a partner, open another outlet. At least you're going on the right information, not the wrong stuff. Okay. So, and the reason that's relevant is we grade, like how we price the jobs, is we grade them according to how online they are. Okay. So, for instance, the worst grade is it's a big box full of paper. There's nothing online. We would put everything together, and this makes sense to you. It just takes longer. There's got to be loads of inquiries because there's something always missing. Okay, and then we're probably running up against the tax deadline that if we're late, there could be a minimum of some type of financial penalty, which we may or may not get out of, but probably won't. Okay. Whereas the best grade, and this is where we want to move people to, is that it's online. So me, you, and everyone else is looking at the same thing at the same time. Okay, you're using QuickBooks Online and this other program we love called Dext. Your bank send over what came in and went out every day. We don't access your bank or anything like that. You control everything, but they send it over, so it's landing in the account. So you aren't paying a bookkeeper to put things up on there. If you need payroll services, you're using them with us as well, so we can make sure everyone has their pay slips. That's not essential, but with all these subsidies around, any problems we have not been of our making. It's when people who have been tired or didn't understand the rules properly have been doing the payroll element themselves. So between buying the program and learning how to use it and then making mistakes, it just hasn't been financially worthwhile for them. You've done training with us, okay, and everything is up to date, or you're back to us reasonably quickly with answers to queries, and nothing last minute. Okay, that's the very best, and that's where we want people to be. So you'll find that when we price the job, we'll actually have something like this up in front of you, or sent you by recorded email, and we'll just run through what it is you need done. And depending on the amount of transactions, you know, how busy it is every month. And don't worry if you get it wrong at the start. We can, you know, if we're overcharging it. So this is on sales invoices. So if there's 20 to 30 invoices a month, but actually in reality it drops down to 11 to 20, we'll adjust for that on, you know, every 3 months we'll look back and see what we should have charged versus what we did, okay? And the same with everything else. So easy enough, so we can price from the day to day, right up to the end of the year, right up to the subscriptions. But compare us to what you're paying at the moment, the time it's involving you at the moment, and also, you know, if you're employing people, by the time you take holidays and, you know, employers PRSI or other items into account that you still have to pay whether they're there or not, compare that to us, and that's where it should be. So actually, when we're on that Zoom call, don't be afraid to bring anyone else in on it that you might want to run things by. Okay, I don't mind. We can just add an extra link. And if you look at our website, barryaccountants.ie, I'll just show you. There is a couple of things there. One is the comments from either real customers, and if you go into Google, you'll find other ones. But you might know one or two of these, and you can check with them, or we can run them by you. But there's a list here. But all these are real people now. I haven't made them up. And also, if you go onto Google and Google is, you'll find there's comments on there that are separate to these. Sometimes we copy and paste them in, but don't always get time for that. Okay, anyway, we'll run through the numbers, see what you think about it afterwards, bring all the decision makers you like, and hopefully you'll be a right fit for us. If you're not, it's not the end of the world, and we'll help you find someone who is. Okay, thanks very much.